I tell you what all things I got from Kolkata. First, let me tell you about my giveaway. As you know, the Indian winner is going to get a bag. I have shown you the bag that I have. If she wants, she can have. It's a he or she. If she or he wants exact same bag, I will give that. If she wants a different design of bag, if it is within the same price range, of course, then I'll get it that for her. But as I said, as per our custom, we must put something in the bag. So what I'm going to put in the bag is this rose toner from VLCC bag, along with a nail polish and maybe a mark sheet again, depending on who wins and their skin concern. Now, for the item that I've been waiting since March to get my hand on. Ta-da! This is the Too Faced Kat Von D collab from Sephora, Dubai. My sister-in-law got it from me when she went holidaying in Dubai in March. It has been more places this year than I have been. So the inside is very beautiful. It has like both of their symbols. If you can see, Kat Von D and Too Faced. This side it is a bit textured, but this is smooth, very smooth. This is a cat, and Kat Von D's cat, and this is Gerard, I think. The owner of the Too Faced, his name is his dog. So inside, like, there are two items from each brand, and it came in a black wrapping paper like this. So from the Too Faced, you have their highlighter and one blush. They are very small, like you can see how small they are. And I don't think you can use a brush to use it. I think best option, like, just say how small it is. You have to use your fingers, to use it. The blush is so happy together. It's a beautiful pink-ish blush. I will give you a swatch of it. This is how it looks, and this is how it is. It looks very beautiful in the cheek. I have used it, and it blends easily, if you can see. But I think it will suit more people with much lighter tone than mine. I think it will suit them well. I don't know how much of it, but it's very pigmented. Like you can see, a little bit is going a long way. So as you can see, this is a very pinkish kind of, like, doesn't really show that much in my skin tone, as I can see. Like, it is very pigmented. If you can, like, I'm not wearing any makeup, just a cream, but I think it will be, like, if I use a brush to blend it, I think it will blend easily. So that's that. And next is the highlighter, which there it is. The highlighter's name is Rosy Glow, and I love the highlighter. It has like dual color, again very small. So let me give you a swatch. This is a golden kind of highlighter, and I love this one. So this is how it looks. I have tried it on you can say a little girl I used to know when I was in Sikkim. Now she is a class 12 girl. I tried it on her. It was looking very fantastic on her. And this side is pinkish type. Again, I don't think this will much come up in our skin tone. Yeah. So let me try it here. See. It's really, this golden one is really good. I'm not that much about the pinkish one, but I think if you mix it together, it will be and this is a decent size. Since I don't use highlighter that much, I think this will last me a very, very long time. And from the Kat Von D, which I have been eyeing for so long, so long, and it's not available in India, and the resellers in Instagram, they charge a bomb. So this is the liquid lipstick. This, of course, is a small one. This is XO as in XO, and it's a beautiful red color, like just my shade. And this is how it looks. And I used it yesterday or day before yesterday, and it does not dry the lip. It stays there like until you're eating very oily food. Otherwise it will just stay there. and like you won't feel you're wearing anything. It's so not drying, yet so beautiful, beautiful. And this is the studded lipstick. This is a beautiful brown color. Again, you see I have used a bit. This is how it looks. I'll say it's a nude, pinkish brown nude. I last night I think I used a mixture of both, and it was also looking good. So there's this, and then another thing is this does not go all the way in, which is why I have already kind of damaged it a bit, and I'm feeling bad about it. So that's the Too Faced one. I think it cost me about 3,100, this one, and I didn't pay any taxes naturally because my sister-in-law brought it to me. Oh, she also gifted me a Charlie perfume, which I'll review later on in my blog. So another thing that I bought this year is, this month when I was in Calcutta, is ultimately I got a Lakme one lip crayon, and it is so good. Like, you won't believe the quality is 185. In fact, this one I think is much better than the Rose Dawson one I have from Sugar Cosmetic. The Rose Dawson one, I'm not at all happy with the formula, and it's very patchy. You have to really go in and apply 2-3 layers for it to kind of cover your lips. But this one, it is a bit hard. It's not, I won't say it's very smooth like the Faces lip crayon I have, but this color is beautiful and the coverage is really good. For 185, I think every girl should have one. I got the shade, they don't have any shade name or something like that. I think, yeah, this is 07 Shocking Pink. I'm not shocked anyway though. This is a beautiful pink, see, and it will go very well with people who are medium to dark tone. As you can see, it looks really good. It's right now actually I'm using this underneath, and I've put on a lip gloss, so you can't really see it, but I'll post a picture later on in Instagram wearing this lipstick. So my friend, I went to meet her. She came from USA, and she got me this. This is the e.l.f. makeup set, and she also got me a nail polish. I can't find it. I kept it somewhere else. The color is a beautiful pink color, like you can see a little bit of it. It's a Revlon gel nail polish. Again, a beautiful color, and this one is so good. I used it once only, and it really kept me very fresh, and even in the sweaty heat of Calcutta, my makeup stayed in place. Now, before I had gone, I had ordered some Colourpop lipsticks, but they didn't come. Then I had to get it from somewhere else. So, to cut a long story short, I got this pack. This is Can You Not. It has 3 lipstick, 1 satin, 1 matte, and 1 gloss. I have already posted a swatch of it in my Insta story. So now let's show you. The first thing that I'm wearing today is the Suki one. This is the Ultra Gloss Lip. Like, don't be fooled with the pink outside, because it's not natural pink. It's actually a very dark maroonish type of color, as you can see. This one I found to be a bit spreading, like it spreads a bit. So my friend Charul from Lip Syncing Logic, she suggested that I use it with a lip liner, which I haven't today, because after this video, of course, I'm going to take off the lipstick. So this is Suki. Then there is my favorite one. This is Notion. No, this is not. This is like Charul liked this one best. This is Ultra Matte. I have not used them on lips yet. I'll let you know once I do that, like if it's too drying or not drying. But my favorite is the Ultra Satin one, which is the darkest I think color I have till date, and it is Hutch. Just look at how dark this is. It's a very dark purple shade, like just to my alley kind of color. So this is like my like half of my wish list is kind of done. I have Colourpop, I have Too Faced product, I have a Kat Von D, I have ordered a Jeffree Star. So my list that I posted in the beginning of this year is nearly done. I think the only thing left is a Kylie cosmetic. Then, and I'm on the fence on should I order a Kylie or should I not order a Kylie. So let's see. Other than that, that's all for now. I'm waiting for the giveaway to be over so I can give you my I can send the winner the prize. So catch you later on. Bye.